So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to use Island application. I've made previous videos on this and this is the most updated version you'll find now, as I'll be talking about almost everything you have to do to use the application, right? So sit back, like and subscribe. Let's learn how to use this application. So I'm going over to my Play Store to search for my Island application. So this is me going ahead to now search for Island application. So let's just type that here, Island. So I'll be installing it like every other person should do, and you can see it's installed already. So once you are done, tap on your open, let's get it. So you can see it here, welcome. Island is a sandbox environment. So let's learn how to set up and use this application right here. So I'm just going to click here on my accept, and you are going to let Island set up your work profile. So I'm going to click here on accept and continue. It should take some time, so I think I'll try to skip some of this part. So yes, right now this is done, and now I have to tap here on my next. So just click on next. So now it's going to start with the provisioning Island. So you just wait a few minutes, let this work. So now you can now see here that we are using this application. I'm start using the Island application right here, and let me just wait for this to work. So it's a very light app, but most times it tends to have a lot of memory. You can see work setup keeps stopping, so I'll just click here on cancel, because yeah, most times the app actually misbehaves a lot because it's still under construction. So let's just see. So now this is the part of our Island you need to understand. This is our Island application, and it comes with like a brand. Let's just say this is like a new, for example, a new Island on your phone, like a new space for your phone where you can have all this application. For example, Google Play Store, security, contacts, files, and downloads. And here is the mainland. Mainland is just like all application you have on your normal phone. For example, your installed app on your normal phone, and you can transfer apps from your mainland to your Island application. So yes, you can do this. So as you can see, you get apps that you have already installed on your device. You find them right here on the mainland section, while on the Island you just have applications that you can actually move from here to this other part of the Island. So the first step to do in using your Island is trying to create or sign into your Play Store. So go ahead to just click on your Google Play Store, and let's learn how to clone apps or use Island application. So I'll just go ahead, once you tap on this Play Store, go ahead to click on this box and arrow you can find there, then it should take you over to your Google Play Store of your Island. So let's learn how to work with this. So what you have to do is to sign in here with a new Gmail you are actually not using. So that's different from your normal Gmail, or you can go to sign with any Gmail or create a new Gmail so you can have a different application or whatever. So just go ahead to that area and try to create a new Gmail so you can get new one. So what you have to do here is to sign in Gmail. So I'll be pausing this part so I can actually sign in into my Island application. So you can see right here I've signed in into this part, and I'll just go ahead and click on I agree. So I'm tapping on I agree. So yeah, I've signed in into my Google part. All that you have to do is tap on I agree. I'll teach you how to clone this application, and this video is going to be very useful to you. I do promise this. So whatever information or whatever issue you're facing, just type down in the comment section. I'll be replying to and responding to it to fix it for you. So now that I've done, I don't need to turn on backup because it's like an Island application XT, so I don't need to do so. I'll just click here on cancel. So much protocols, bro, from Google, so annoying. Okay, just take me to the Play Store already, brother. So yeah, Google services. So actually wait for this Google service to come up so you can accept. Also, I'm going to click on accept. So you have to follow all these steps to make everything work well. Now watch what I'm doing carefully so you get the island app to work for you. So how do I install applications that I have on whatsoever? So it's really interesting. So I'll just keep this and continue. So now one thing about this island application is you basically don't need to download those applications. Like for example, I have WhatsApp business on my normal device, and that's why I have my WhatsApp connected. So if I want to install my WhatsApp business right here, if it's not updated or it's up to point, I'll just go ahead to tap on the install and it should bring it in. So let me go ahead to like install my Dream League proof. So I want to start or test with Dream League. That's the LS25 or LS26 rather. So let's just go back to use our Play Store. I'm going to go ahead to search for DLS and let's just see what will happen. So DLS 26. So yeah, because I'm a gamer obviously, so I would like to install this here. So you can see the download size is 188, but once I go ahead to tap on the install, it looks like it wants to actually download it. So I'm going to click on OK. Let's see what happens next. So you can see installing straight. So this didn't even download this, you just installed it because I already have the DLS on the phone and this is the correct version I have on the phone. So you can see as simple as that, it just goes ahead to like transfer the application straight to the mainland without any download. So I did not waste any data downloading this, and this is how to clone apps using island application. So yes, you can always go back to the Play Store. There you're going to have two different Play Stores on your phone. Visit the Play Store on your island and also use this other one. So this works perfectly, and if you find an issue or you still have any issue pertaining this island application, try to drop the issue you have in the comment section and I will be attending to that. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.